Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I'm here with Louise and Matthew. What are we gonna cut today?
Today we're gonna do the Tom Holland from the new Spiderman movies.
Are you up for it?
Yes.
Let's get to it.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm 26 years old and I study at the Harvard BSS Business Intelligence because I want to become a data scientist. And I'm here at Slikhaar Studio because I'm not convinced with my hairstyle.
Okay guys, so now we're finished with the hairstyle, and Matthew, how do you like it?
It's amazing, the progress were perfect.
Great to hear. Okay, remember to like, subscribe, comment down below what you think about this hairstyle, and we'll see you in the next video. See you guys next time.